Alright everybody, welcome. So, picture this. It's yesterday morning, I'm trying to put on my socks. Just a normal Tuesday, right? Wrong. My left foot decides it's not a foot anymore. It's a professional sock thief. My toes start wiggling like they're trying to escape a tiny cotton prison. It was like trying to put a sock on a hyperactive ferret. This whole ordeal took, and I'm not exaggerating, a full 10 minutes. 10 minutes! My dog Gary just sat there, head tilted, probably thinking, wow, he's lost it. Living with multiple sclerosis is like having a prankster living inside your nervous system. One day you're fine, next your leg thinks it's a contestant on So You Think You Can Dance. The sheer absurdity of it all gets to you. So before this new miracle thing I'm about to tell you about, my treatment plan was a choice between two equally ridiculous scenarios. Option A, I called the human pincushion. This involved daily injections, every single day. I had more pricks in me than a high school bully's diary. I had a little chart. It looked like a game of Battleship. The best part was trying to do it myself. Okay, Jimmy, you can do this. And my hand would shake. Then there was option B, the big gun, the intravenous infusion. Once a month, I'd go to a clinic, sit in a comfy chair, and be hooked to a bag for hours. And the side effects? Sometimes you'd feel like you had the flu for a day or two afterward, trading MS symptoms for flu symptoms, like swapping a leaky faucet for a clogged drain. It was better than nothing, and I was grateful. But man, was it a drag. It was a constant reminder something was off-kilter inside my body. This is where the game changes. All those old methods manage damage, but what if you could do more? For years, that repair dream was just that, a dream. But now, some brainiacs in a lab have figured something out. Now, I've been throwing the term MS around a lot, and maybe you're thinking, okay, Jimmy, funny stories, but what is this thing? And that's a great question. Imagine your brain and spinal cord are like the main command center for your body. They send little electrical messages, hey leg, walk. Hey hand, pick up that remote. These nerves are like electrical wires covered in myelin. Think phone charger insulation. With MS, your immune system gets confused and attacks that coating. When myelin is damaged, signals get scrambled, like bad Wi-Fi. 1 minute you're streaming in 4K, next you're buffering. That's why symptoms are weird and random. Blurry vision, numb toes, a foot that refuses to wear a sock. Finding good treatments matters because it's about preserving your quality of life. Work, play with your kids, walking your dog without feeling like you're on an obstacle course. Okay, I know you can't wait to hear about this exciting new treatment, but can we just pause for a second? You know what else is amazing? You guys, for watching, for listening, for being here. Right below this video, you'll see a little red button that says subscribe. I want you to look at that button, take your finger or your mouse and give it a little click, a tap. What are you waiting for? And while you're there, give that thumbs up. It tells the algorithm gods you like what we're doing. We have more stories, more jokes, more weird science explained in the silliest way possible. Hit subscribe, it's free and it helps us a ton. Thanks so much, back to the story. Alright, are you ready for this? Get ready to have your minds blown, because what I'm about to share sounds like science fiction, but it's real, and it's changing lives. The new treatment making my sock-thieving foot behave is called Neuroregenerative Acoustic Resonance Therapy, nicknamed Neuro-Noodle. It was dreamed up by a team of brainiacs who thought, what if we could use sound to help nerves heal? After years of testing, they discovered that certain low-frequency sound waves could actually nudge the brain's own repair crew, stem cells, into action. Imagine your nerves getting a pep talk from a subwoofer, like a pool noodle, but for your nerves. It's fun, it's silly, it's noodliest. Here's what a session looks like. You walk into a bright, friendly clinic, no scary needles in sight. You get comfy in a chair, and a nurse hands you a pair of high-tech headphones that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie. So here's how this Neuro-Noodle thing works, in a nutshell. Then for 30 minutes, you listen to a deep, gentle hum, like a friendly bumblebee taking a nap on your brain. Some people say it feels like their thoughts are getting a bubble bath. It's not a pill, it's not a needle, it's not even medicine in the usual sense. It's a sound, specifically, very specific low-frequency sound waves. A deep, gentle hum that gets your nerves grooving. It's a sound. Specifically, very specific, low-frequency sound waves. A deep, gentle hum. Scientists believe these vibrations encourage the brain's stem cells to wake up, stretch, and start patching up damaged myelin, like tiny construction workers fixing potholes on a superhighway. You lie down, they put high-tech headphones on you, and for 30 minutes, you listen to a gentle During the session, you might feel a gentle tingling or just super relaxed, like your brain is getting a spa day. Some people even nap. The scientists found these vibrations encourage the brain stem cells to wake up and get to work. After a few sessions, people report steadier walking, steadier hands, and, best of all, no flu-like side effects. It's like your nervous system just got a tune-up. They start repairing damaged myelin, like patching the insulation on a frayed cable. I was skeptical, but after sessions, I noticed subtle improvements. Steadier walking, steadier hands, and, best of all, no flu-like side effects. Of course, it's not magic. Neuro-Noodle isn't for everyone, and it won't turn you into a superhero overnight. Some people feel a little dizzy or tired after, but that's about it. And if you're expecting to suddenly win a dance contest, well, keep dreaming. It's like a spa day for your central nervous system, a deep tissue massage for your axons. The Neuro-Noodle isn't just a treatment, it's a total game changer. A few weeks into Neuro-Noodle therapy, I'm feeling great. Energy up, balance better. I haven't dropped my phone in days. I grabbed my notorious Argyle socks. And you know what? The socks slid on. First try. No wiggling, no fighting. I felt victorious, then walked face first into the closet door. I forgot to open it. Neuro-Noodle is great for repairing nerve damage, but it can't fix plain old stupidity. Some things not even science can cure. My dog Gary gave me that same old look. Thanks for hanging out. Laughter is its own kind of medicine. Stick around. You won't want to miss what's next. Good night.